Today I almost bought a fake version of a Marc Spoon record, so I looked in my own record and found a lot of fake versions as well, like this one of Shut Up, Songs of Sex, the Starlight Singers.
Shut up and sleep with me, come on, why don't you sleep with me? Shut up and sleep with me.
I think he must be from Holland.
And sleep with me, come on, why don't you sleep with me? Shut up and sleep with me.
Another one, the Tune Robbers. The Tune Robbers play disco. I think that's actually a man singing it. Then next is DJ Disco Dance. Or next one is an official remix. Then we have the Tesca All Stars. And he got the lyrics wrong in the verse. And then we have the Pop Star Band. Or the 50 Best of Gay Party Songs by Count D's Hit Explosion. Now, for my taste, the vocals are much too loud on this one. Oh, down here there's a very new one, just released some days ago. It's called Radio Version and single, a German one, Der Party Prinz.
At least it's what you keep on saying. Don't be afraid of doing what you are best at. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up.
And up here is the original.